Hey guys, I'm back today with an unboxing video for you all. Now, I posted on Instagram this morning, probably not the day it's going to go up, but the day that I filmed this, saying that I had ordered a new handbag about 3 weeks ago from Vestiaire, pre-loved handbag, and it's just arrived. Obviously, with everything that's going on right now, I didn't know whether or not to make this video. My intention was when I ordered it to make it, but that was 3 weeks ago and a lot has changed, right? So anyway, I put on Instagram and said, do you guys want to see this? I don't know whether it's inappropriate to post it because at the moment, obviously, everything with business and jobs and people's lives is just completely up in the air and a bit crazy. And in hindsight, if I'd have known this would happen, I most certainly wouldn't have been ordering a new handbag, let me tell you. So yeah, I posted that on Instagram and just said, look, I'm fully aware this is like an awkward thing to post right now. Would you guys want to see it anyway? Because obviously it's the normal content that I do. And it was a 92% said yes, please do an unboxing, stay posting normal content. So here we are, it is an unboxing. It is a pre-loved handbag. I bought it via Vestiaire. I have wanted this bag for absolutely ages, completely sold out everywhere. But I managed to find one that has been worn a couple of times. And I was really excited because it's a style of handbag that, because it's sold out everywhere, it's been selling on the resale market for more than you pay for it new, which baffles me. Unless something's vintage, it completely baffles me. But I managed to get it for the same price as buying a new one, but obviously you can't get new ones right now. So I was very excited by that. I managed to finally find one. I've been looking for it for a few months, and it obviously took 3 weeks to come because Vestiaire, if you guys don't know what Vestiaire is, they are like a resale site, but everything is sold through them. So you upload your pre-loved items, you sell it through the site, then you send it to Vestiaire to be authenticated, so they check that it's real, it's not fake. This was actually the second one of these I ordered through them. The first one was found to be fake and sent back, or it failed the test, which basically means it's fake, because if it's not up to scratch in terms of quality, they reduce the price for you. So anyway, this was the second one. So it's been like ongoing for ages, and like I said, I wouldn't have ordered it now, because let's face it, I'm not gonna wear it. Like when am I next gonna wear it? I bought this bag with kind of summer in mind, Coachella in mind. I was supposed to be going to Coachella. Yeah, so, but let's unbox it, because I've wanted it for ages, and I'm sure there will come a day where I can use it again. There will. So yeah, let's unbox this bad boy. I also wanted to say quickly before I take this out of the box, in case anyone's wondering, you can't send stuff back to Vestiaire. If I had ordered this new, right now I would be returning it, because it would be the sensible thing to do. But because it's pre-loved, you can't send things back unless they're like inaccurately described. So here we go. The box. The tissue, and it has, I think this is going to surprise a few people, comes in the original box. It's my first ever Louis Vuitton item. I have never owned anything Louis Vuitton before. It's not, to be honest, I'm going to move over a bit so I can show you better. It's not really my style. I wear a lot of blacks. I feel like the brown of Louis Vuitton often doesn't necessarily like go with a lot of my stuff, but I'm really excited for this. Ha 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 ha. Can you guess what it is yet? Oh my god, I love it. I love it. So we have a little sleeping bag and the Vestiaire tag showing that it's all been authenticated. Oh my god, it's tiny. It is tiny! Yeah. So it comes with the receipt. I wonder where it was bought, where it was bought. Originally bought in Milan. So that is the bag. And it is the Palm Springs mini backpack. And if I'm really honest, it looks pretty much brand new. There's a little bit of wear on these top sections here, but let's have a little look inside. It's definitely like been used, but not crazy amount. And the inside is very, very clean. That's the inside. So there's really not that much to see because it's so little. It looks like this. It's a miniature backpack. I love the fact that it's got the black details on it because for me that makes this style a whole lot more wearable. These are also adjustable, so you can obviously wear it as a backpack, or you can adjust them and wear it crossbody, which I will show you, but I mean it's really not going to go with the outfit I'm wearing right now. But for me, I bought this to wear, actually, to be honest, in a sad way, I actually bought it to wear to Coachella. Was like my like inspiration to buy it, but obviously like as a summer bag, which is why it makes me kind of sad. You see, you can wear it like crossbody like that. It makes me kind of sad that it probably won't get worn this summer, but it is super, super nice. So you can literally have it like a little crossbody bag, or you change the straps around and you can have it like a backpack. I'm gonna try it on. I'm gonna adjust the straps. It's gonna take a while, bear with me. So, to show you guys how you would wear it. I mean, I would not wear it with these jeans and t-shirt like this. But yeah, little backpack, super cute. To be honest as well, a lot of people be like, that is such a ridiculous bag because it's so small. But actually, I rarely take much out with me anymore. Since I've had River, I literally have like my phone, my wallet, my keys, lip balm, not much at all. So I really feel like for summer, it's such a good option. For travel, it's a good option because you can wear it crossbody. Yeah, I just love like the little black leather details on it. It's got a little pocket in the front here, which has some little hairbands in it. That's hilarious. It's got like, you know, the plastic hairbands. What else has it got? A safety pin. Oh, it comes with useful stuff. Thanks, whoever's bag this was. That's it. It had like two plastic hairbands and a safety pin. But yeah, super happy with this. What do you guys think? Do you think it's a good first purchase from Louis Vuitton? It's never really been a brand that I've massively gravitated towards in the past, but I really, really love this bag, and something about it, I just couldn't stop thinking about it. Regardless of the timing of the purchase, I just think it's such a cute little summer bag. You probably would use it in winter as well, but the way I envisage this being styled is like sweet little summer dress, like plain white dress, or plain, like basically quite plain because of the print, but I just think so nice. Imagine like a little white summer dress, nice sandals, super cute, crossbody. I just feel like it'll be quite a useful little bag. Whether or not I get to wear it this summer remains to be seen, but fingers crossed. Fingers crossed. So that is it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Super quick one from me. I hope you're all doing okay. It's been a weird old time, hasn't it? But you know what? I have never felt closer to most of my friends and to you guys. The amount of messages that I've received over the past few weeks and comments on videos has really just been awesome, and I'm glad for a lot of you guys these videos kind of are a good distraction from all the shit that's going on behind the scenes, and well, not even behind the scenes, in real life, not on the internet. So yeah, sending lots of love to you all. I hope you're all staying safe, staying in, and yeah, doing okay. I will see you very soon. There's more vlogs coming from me, more videos and all sorts of stuff, so keep your eyes peeled for those, and I will see you very soon with my baby backpack. Let's hope River doesn't steal this.